Here's the secret to saving thousands on repairs. If you've been draining your wallet on surprise repairs for your home, don't worry. I've got a solution for you. You know how major home systems and appliances can break down at any time and cost you a lot to fix or replace. Such things can make a serious dent in your wallet even if you've got some savings stashed away. This is why a home warranty could be your saving grace. Think about it like insurance for your home. With this, you don't have to worry about paying a lot of out-of-pocket if something unexpectedly breaks. You'll just need to pay an annual fee, usually between $400 to $1,000, which on average saves home buyers tons of money in the long run. There are varying levels of coverage you can purchase, and there's usually an upfront fee that you pay when you make a service call, kind of like your auto or home insurance deductible. This is worth considering, especially if you're buying an older home or a home with some older systems and don't want surprise expenses. But if your home is brand spanking new, a home warranty may not be necessary. Or if the home you're purchasing has recently been renovated and has all new systems and appliances. In these cases, the existing warranties may be enough. So if your real estate agent doesn't inform you about a home warranty, tell them you'd really like to consider one. Or go online and check them out. There are several companies that offer them. If you've gotten or currently have a home warranty, leave a comment on your experience below. Good luck to you, and thank you for watching.